Hi, today you're part of me, XIAOMI 13 Pro, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So to do that, we should open the control panel and find here scanner icon. If you don't see here this icon, just click to add its icon and find here the scanner QR code option. Tap on plus icon to add it to our panel. Click to done. And now just click to the scanner icon, open it, read the description, click yes, I agree while using the app. And now we should place our QR code here into this frame. So let's just wait a second, and we can see here that says the link of our QR code. So click go to website, and that says the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.